Good morning, students. Today we have already discussed about the question answer NCERT question answer from the chapter supplementary chapter 4 in the kingdom of fool. In previous video we have already discussed all the stories, how king behaved in that kingdom and how he ruled over his people, and how all the people of this kingdom saved from this unlawful rule by the guru and his disciple. We read go through this story today. We have discussed about a most important long questions from this chapter, the character sketch. Yes, the character sketch of a king in the story of kingdom of fools. Let us discuss about this question and answer. First, as at first we say that the king of the kingdom of fools by his action really lives up to the name of his kingdom. Yes, he is a despotic ruler. That means he was an unlawful ruler who has changed the working routine by ordering them to sleep by day, and he lacks all financial acumen and has ordered a common price tag for all goods in the kingdom. The king lacks of far straightness and cannot visualize the repercussions of his current actions will be in the future, because as we know that whatever king did, he did not think over all his decisions and all his plans. He did not look back that how this decision would affect for the people. So he was not a good ruler. We can say he was not a good ruler. Thus he orders a stake to be made that does not fit the proportions of the convicted criminal, and with no understanding of legalities he makes out judging according to hearsay. We can say that the king has no powerful decision. That king has no power to decide a lawful judgment for the people. Whatever he hear for by his minister, he believes all them. He could not judge it properly. It is the most important thing in the character of the king. He blindly follows the advice and thus gets interpreted in the rational post by the guru and his disciple, who persuade him to hang on the stake to ensure he become as a king in the next life. In the end of the story we see that how he believed, how he truly believed the guru's advice, and he believed that if he hang fast in that stake, he would be the king in future. So he could not judge all his decision. He could not thought about his decision making power. That's why he hang himself in that stake. So students, hope you understand the character sketch of the king in the story of kingdom of fools. So it is your homework to do this character sketch as your own words, as I discuss all the main points in this video. Hope you will write down this character sketch as your own words. So in next video we will discuss the next chapter. Till then, goodbye.